Welcome to Alice Kids Fun! Do you know what holiday is coming up? Valentine's! That's why today we are going to show you how to make some DIY Valentine's cards. They're not any cards, but they are fun cards! Yeah! And that's why I'm wearing these hearts here. And here, first we're going to show you how to make sunflowers. That's why we have these yellow plates. You can paint some white ones, but we just had yellow left over from my birthday party. And also you'll need these bubbles for the seeds. Step 1, we're going to do the petals. You can cut on these lines if you have them. Super easy for me. See? Sunflowers are known as happy flowers, so they make perfect gifts for special people. So anyone you want to give this flower to will be super delighted. Why are they called sunflowers? Well, they do look like suns, but they are actually named sunflowers because they turn their blooms from east to west to follow the sun. Sunflowers are giant among flowers, probably bigger than you. But they're not just giant and beautiful. What else do you know about sunflowers? Oh, I know something. I love roasted sunflower seeds. They are so yummy. Sunflower seeds can do more than that. They have another tasty treat. Sunflower oil. It's also very, very healthy. Wow, these sunflowers are very useful and beautiful. Now, for the fun part. We're gonna paint the bubble wrap so that we can have the sunflower seeds. But remember to leave the edges not painted so that you can hold your little my seeds and flour. Now I'm going to transfer the seeds to the flour. We have perfect sunflowers, but it looks like they're missing something. What could it be? Some stems and leaves. Maybe roots and dirt too. That's right. Let's get to work. We have 2 green strips for stems, and now we're gonna fold them up and put them on our sunflowers. You can put it in a vase, you can give it to someone, or on the back, you can write a message right here before giving it to your friend or your family. We have beautiful sunflowers, so what other flowers should we make? I love tulips. Tulips signal the arriving of spring, so let's draw some. What should we paint with? We have paint brushes, forks, and spoons? That's crazy! How can we paint with those? I don't know. What do you think we should use, Alina? Forks and spoons. Okay, let's do it the fun way. Grab your forks and spoons and we'll show you the fun way to draw tulips! Yeah, that's right. I love love yellow. It's my favorite color. That's why I'm going for yellow tulips. I love purple. Purple tulips are beautiful. Now we need the stems. They're going to be dark green. Here are some cool facts about tulips. Do you guys know that tulip petals are actually edible? Yup, you heard that right. Tulip petals are edible. At some point, people actually use them instead of onions. Do you guys know where in the whole entire world the most tulips are grown? In the Netherlands. Over 3 billion bulbs are grown every year annually in the Netherlands. I think we need a break. Let's munch on some celery. That was sour. Not as tasty as a cookie. Maybe we should munch on one of those instead. But hey, I have an idea. So that we don't waste it, how about we use it for our next fun DIY card? Yeah, that's perfect. Hey, look. When you cut it this way, it looks like a rose. I know what we're gonna paint next. It's a rose. Great idea. Yay! Red roses will be beautiful, and they'll stand out nicely on my blue paper. So now all I need to do is dip it in. And then I stamp it right here. Pretty nice. That was so fun. I want to do more. We love our roses. Which one of your flowers were your favorite? What cool facts do you guys know about roses? I know that rose is not only a rose's name, it's a girl's name. Did you know that red roses mean love? That's why we drew red roses for all our subscribers. And if you didn't subscribe yet, hit that button to have lots and lots of love from us. Did you know that roses are edible too? They are actually sometimes put in jellies and jams. That sounds tasty. Did you know that roses grow a berry-shaped fruit called rose hips? Rose hips are packed with vitamin C, and when they're dried, they can make a super yummy drink.
Yummy!
But it's sometimes sour. Oof, I'm still hungry. Let's have some broccolis.
I'm gonna suck right now. Yummy!
Maybe the broccoli will make a flower when we dip it in paint. Let's try! I wonder what each type of flower could be. was so much fun, guys. We hope that you learned a new creative way of drawing and you learned something new about flowers. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Happy Valentine's! Happy creativity!